Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I'm gonna do a pretty much weird thing. Installing an OS inside of another OS. So I'm gonna install Windows Windows 7 inside of the Windows 10 OS. You will understand how I'm gonna do that. So first of all we have to put the Windows 10 ISO and boot from there. So now I'm gonna boot from the Windows 10 ISO. So I took IDK away, but I'm gonna go into safe mode with command prompt. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. So first of all we have to press Shift and F10 and open a command prompt window. Now I have to change the ISO. So now I'm gonna change the directory to D, to the sources, and I actually press a key and then press setup. And as you can see, I went into the setup, the Windows 7 setup. So I did a pretty much clever thing. I'm from the Windows 10 ISO, but I'm running the Windows 7 setup inside of the Windows 10 setup. And yeah, it's pretty much weird. It's pretty much weird. IDKY. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. For example, as you can see, this is in Windows 7, it is in classic, but we have the Windows 10 setup. I mustn't close this window because if I close it, the computer will just restart. So I'm not gonna close it at the time. So I'm going with the task manager. And so wait for me. When the setup finishes, I will be back. So I'm back, and so I'm gonna save it into the hard disk, the local disk. And so I'm gonna close it, and let's restart the computer. So I did a pretty much clever thing. So as you can see, I'm inside the Windows. Now it does boot from the hard disk, so it will be it will be the same thing as if I booted from Windows 7 installation media. And as you can see, we are into normal environment, so you can see that we have the command prompt exactly as it would be. And now I'm gonna open Explorer. Even so it uses the classic theme now. IDKY. So let's open Task Manager. So the first UX wind, oh, the screen flickered. The completing installation process does this thing. So the first UX wind is the setup process. The personalized settings is the annoying personalized settings window. This one is the commands prompt, and the setup is this thing again, but first UX wind is actually for devices. Task Manager doesn't appear in Windows 7 Task Manager. If you go here, the Task Manager appears, but in this point it doesn't. So let's see when this thing will end. Can't force restart the computer, because if I do, a terrible thing will happen. And yes, there we go. So I'm gonna open Paint now. And if I open Explorer, you will see something weird that will happen. Oh no, it won't happen. Oh, it won't. Why Explorer closed? So I have my desktop. And so let's type a username. For example, TechMan. I'm not going to type the password, not a project key. I'm going to use recommended settings and just put the time I want and home network. So the only exception that will be is that I will continue to be logged in with a system account. You actually know why. You may know why. And now I found a bug in Windows 7. I'm that clever. Oh, with the bank won't happen. Oh, it will. So I'm still logged in with a system account. I'm still logged in with a system account. So what I have to do is just log off from the system account and go into the Techman account. And now I'm ready. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. And nope. I'll see you later. Bye. Oh, I must close the virtual machine. So, bye.